welcome back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamatha. I am a master herbalist and I'm currently going to school to become a naturopath. For the last few weeks we have been talking about cleansing our body and the order that we should be cleansing them in. If you have not already watched those videos, you need to go back because right here is not the place that you want to start. You need to go back. This is what, the 5th video? You need to go back. 4 videos. Yeah, 4 videos. All right, you guys. I'm excited because this is like one of the last parts that we're cleansing, and so this is going to be another fun, exciting week. We're going to be adding in some more supplements. You're going to continue with the supplements you've already been taking. Yes, the bowel formula, 1, 3 times a day. The liver gallbladder, 3 times a day. The lymphatic system, 3 times a day. You're going to continue that. You're going to continue with all of the other things, such as the positive affirmation, that 8 to 9 hours of sleep, the earthing, the meditation, the dry skin brushing, the shower every day, and what else? I'm sure there's some other stuff. I didn't make a list on what the stuff was. Just go back, watch the videos, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so the herbs that you're going to be taking to help cleanse out the next is blood. Oh, I gotta tell you what it is. Okay. Oh, whoa, squirrel! Back up. Disclaimer. I am not a doctor yet. And even if I was, I am not your doctor. You need to, I feel like I'm right up on the camera. You need to talk to your doctor, your healthcare professional, or whoever to see if this whole cleansing program is right for you. Any diet changes, whatever, you need to listen to your body and you need to make sure that you are able to do these things, okay? I have listed, and again, Dr. Christopher does have a blood formula that you can follow. A lot of the herbal supplements that he has, though, in his are going to also be in some of the other stuff you're already taking. That's why I like to make my own, so I'm not like doubling up on certain things. Like, for instance, I think he has Cascara Sagrada in the blood cleansing, which he has in his lower bowel formula. That's the stuff that's going to make you poop. So, and as you probably have noticed, if you've been following this, that you've taken certain herbs, even if you're taking like the lower bowel formula, maybe you're only taking it like once every like 3 or 4 days because it's keeping you regular, which is a good thing. And some of this other stuff, because your organs are starting to function and operate properly, you don't need to take as much. But it's important that you do continue to take them, but keep track of your body. You know your body, like, listen to it, okay? So, herbs: red clover, sarsaparilla, chaparral, Oregon grape, peach leaf, poke root, and nettles. Those are all going to be down below because I know I just read them off really quick. And I put those into capsules, and I take 2 of those 3 times a day for blood cleansing, okay? I know, man, you guys are like, that's my breakfast right there. It's a lot of pills, Tamatha. I know, but they are really good for you. They're really going to help cleanse out your system. I know it's a handful of pills, but if you want, you can space them out a little bit. The only one that you really want to adjust is the lower bowel. The rest of them, I'm really hoping that you guys, I mean, if you need to, yes, but it's important to get those ones in to keep things cleaning out because we're cleansing. So you are going to have a lot of elimination somewhere. You may be breaking out, or you may be feeling achy and headaches and stuff, but by doing these in certain orders and kind of stretching it out, you're hopefully avoiding some of those Herxheimer reactions, okay? So everything else is still going to be staying the same. We're still going to be drinking half of our body weight in ounces of water. Start doing the earthing, the meditation, the hot yoga, stretching, sleep, all that. All the stuff that's in the other videos, go back and watch it. But blood cleansing, yep. Continue doing your beet juice. Beets are really, really good for your blood system. Also, if you're on blood thinners, you definitely want to check with what type of blood thinner you're taking with some of these herbs like sarsaparilla and chaparral. You probably don't want to be mixing those things. So if you're taking a baby aspirin, maybe different, but if you're taking like warfarin or something else, that you really want to double check. That's why I like making my own stuff, because I can take out what I don't need, okay? So important, do your research, what medications you're taking, and see if there's some interaction there somewhere, okay? So it's really important, especially when you're on blood thinners, okay? When you're cleaning out your blood system. All right, apple juice. And that's the last thing I'm gonna talk about in this video. Apple juice has a lot of good things in it. How do I want to say this? It carries oxygen through your body via your bloodstream. So you want to get a good quality apple. Now, you may not like hearing this part. The green apples are best. It's going to help aid in digestion, and they have more nutrients and stuff, and they work better with your system. I know. I love the Honeycrisp apples, even though they're like genetically modified and all this other stuff, but they're so sweet and they're so yummy. You do not want to juice those ones, okay, guys? You can juice some of the red ones. You know, we don't want to juice you don't want a whole lot of sugar blasting your body, and the green ones are probably the best ones that you can do, but it's going to help get oxygen to your cells and help with your bloodstream. Okay, you guys, I hope you are doing really, really wonderful. I'm so happy that you guys are up to this. This is the 5th video. So we're like, this is gonna be like the 4th week of actual cleansing. We do have one more, I know I lied to you in the beginning, but we do have one more area that we're going to be cleansing. And then I wanna talk to you about what to do coming off of this cleanse and how long maybe you should do the cleanse once we put in that 5th cleansing area. The diet, it's still gonna be the same, 80% raw, 2% cook. Stay away from starchy root vegetables, except for the carrot juice and the beet juice. No potatoes, no sweet potatoes. Yeah, just continue that. Hopefully you guys are finding some good recipes. Go online, there's so many recipes out there for some cooked stuff. But really, getting that fresh, raw fruits and veggies, lots of fiber, it's going to gobble up everything and then get it out of your system. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you gotta do. All right, guys, see ya next week. Bye.